and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the Eyescream beauty box for October 2020. You guys know last month, September, was the first time that I ever unboxed the Eyescream beauty box, and I fell in love. I thought it was awesome. Great value for the price. So before we jump into today's video, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play makeup, review makeup, and remember, it's just makeup. It's not that serious. And look, I don't want to hear about the fact that my sunless tanner has worn off my hands and it don't match. Like, your girl don't want the Rona, so I'm always scrubbing dubba-dubbing, you know? Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing of our October 2020 Eyescream beauty box. Okay guys, so before we get into the actual unboxing, a little information about the beauty box. It is $24 a month. That is with free shipping, and you will receive 5 to 7 items in here every single month. You can cancel at any time, and it does say it's $9 a month for international shipping fee. So an additional $9 to ship international. So let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing. I'm so excited. They did send this over to me to unbox and review for you guys. And can I just say, the customer service with Eyescream beauty box is absolutely amazing. They are the kindest, sweetest humans ever. Okay, so jumping right in, you guys know your girl is all about the packaging. So we have like these little paper noodle doohickeys, and the first item that I do see here is by Hikari, which this is a fairly new brand to me. I know a lot of you guys have said that it's been around for a while, you absolutely love it, and I'm kind of new to it this past year, trying out this brand. So this is by Hikari, and by the way, there's probably a card and I opened it upside down. There is. There's a card in here, by the way, guys. I just opened the box upside down. So you do get a little card in here with everything that is in the box, the price of it. And it says October is the witching hour. So a little information. This is the Hikari Forgiven Primer. This does have a retail value of $25. So this is a full size. Oh my gosh, that's cool looking. It almost looks like a huge like nail polish. So you do get a pump on here. So there we go. Very cool. Okay, so like I said, that had a retail value of $25. The next item, it says Luna by Luna. And this says it is in the shade Starlight. It's a lip gloss. I love, love, love lip glosses. Which, by the way, I have the Almay lip gloss on today with my Sugar and Spice Gerard Cosmetics lip liner. Code HOTMESS will save you 30% at Gerard Cosmetics. Ooh, this is really pretty. And like I said, this is a lip gloss. This is actually really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, this has a retail value of $18 for this lip gloss. Okay, and remember, this box, guys, is $24. So just with this primer by Hikari alone, we've made our money back. $24 for the box, $25 for the primer, $18 for the lip gloss. So I absolutely love that. And I like the shade of the lip gloss. That is definitely a shade that I would wear. Moving on, the next item is Be a Bombshell. It's the Hocus Pocus one stick. Let's open this up. I want to say I have this somewhere in my collection because the name sounds familiar. Ooh, yeah, I think I do. This is I think it's a blush, like a cream blush. You can use it on your cheeks, eyes, and lips, and it does have a retail value of $16. I love that. You guys know how much I love multitasking types of products. So this particular shade, Hocus Pocus, can be used, like I said, lips, cheeks, and eyes. I could definitely see it on the cheeks and the lips. I don't know if I'll be putting any of that on my eyeballs, but anywho. And again, retail value $16. The next item I see in here is by Steve Laurent. Is this a liner? Yep, it is a black eyeliner. I don't know. I assume this is a precision tip eyeliner. Let's open it up because I love black eyeliners, and even if it's a liquid liner, I still use them, especially if they're like small and precise like this. Okay, let's see here. Oh, it is. It's a liquid eyeliner, and I do like the size of this. It'll be really nice. When it says precise, this is definitely going to be one that is definitely a precise liner. And I do like that because for me, I have slightly hooded... Oh my gosh, this isn't going anywhere. Dang, okay. But for me, with these, because I have mature lids, I just kind of do more of like a stamping. And then I'll take like a flat shader brush by Sigma, and then I just kind of like bump it across the lid like so and blend it out. Really happy with this. This has a retail value of $24. So the price of the box, boom, again, you are literally making your money back with this box, and I love it. And we're not done, friends. We have one more item in here. What is this? Oh, this is by Okalan. And it is a 24 color shadow palette. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, I just dropped that. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Why do I feel like this might be a dupe for something and I can't think off the top of my head? I think because I just think Okalan and I think like inspired by palettes. Is it? It wouldn't, no, I was like, is it one of the ABH palettes? This is gorgeous. Ooh, let's do the yellow. You guys know I have played around with Okalan shadows in the past, and I really like them. This is insanely creamy. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Yes. This is so pretty. This palette has a retail value of $26. It's in your standard type of cardboard packaging. It does have a mirror in here, and it's actually a good mirror. It's not one of those like chintzy funhouse mirrors. This is actually something that I would use. This is, did I tell you guys the name of the palette? It's Nova. My bad. It's Nova. So I am really impressed. I am super, okay, let's talk about my thoughts on this box. $24. This is what I'm talking about. I am really happy with everything in the box. I love the shade of the lip gloss. I love the fact of the primer. Everything in here, I would definitely, no problem whatsoever using. I like it all. So anyways, you know, I always tell you guys when it comes to subscription boxes, you kind of have to keep an open mind because you may not enjoy everything in here. But for me, I'm really happy with this. $24 for everything in here. You can't beat it. You just can't beat it. I love the fact that, you know, if you want to pick up this box, which is now available, go over there, sign up. I'll have a link to sign up for the Eyescream beauty box in my description box. I'll put it in the comment section for you guys as well. I really enjoy this beauty box. This is going to be one of those boxes I feel like that would be really fun to gift for the holidays because of the fact that you're getting so many items in here for the price. You just can't beat it. You know, you gotta love it. So anyways, guys, that is all for today's video. Like I said, if you are interested in signing up for the Eyescream beauty box, I will have a link down below for you guys. I'm excited to be unboxing this every single month. I definitely feel like you get your money's worth. So don't forget, there is a giveaway going on our channel right now. It's the big 30K giveaway. I will have a link to that video down below for you guys, as well as in the comment section. You do have to go over to that video in order to enter into the giveaway. And I'm trying to think if there's, I feel like there's other things I need to tell you guys, but I can't remember. Anyways, if you're curious about my top is from Torrid. I'll have that link down below. My earrings are from Uncommon James. My eyeshadow, do I have it sitting here? I do. My eyeshadow is the Gin Nude Latte palette by Bare Minerals, and loving it, like absolutely loving it. I am trying to get more and more makeup looks over on Instagram, so make sure to follow me over there for some nice little quick eye tutorials or what have you on how I apply my eyeshadows. And that is all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you decide to stick around, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, turn on your notification bell. I upload all the time over here in our little positivity, happy place, happy space, Monday through, actually 7 days a week. Pretty much. I've been Sunday to Sunday uploading a video. On the weekends I upload at 9 p.m. and Monday through Friday I pretty much upload over here at 12:15 Eastern time. So stick around, join the fam, and until next time, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.